My dear students and learners, I welcome you all to this video. In today's video, you are going to test your English proficiency. You might have learned English from your primary schools, right? Today, you might be a student of senior secondary school. You might be doing your studies in a college, or you might be a postgraduate student. Whoever you are, my dear students and learners, in today's video, I welcome you to test your English proficiency in knowing the subject and the verb agree with each other in the following 6 sentences. Are you ready? Good. What you are going to do is, you want to read the following sentences and check if the verb of those sentences agree with the subjects of those sentences. Check whether the verb of a particular sentence is rightly placed according to the subject of that particular sentence. Are you ready? Good. Now let's move to our first sentence. Look at this sentence. Read this sentence and test your proficiency. Sentence number 1. A team of 11 players are going to represent our country in the World Cup. A team of 11 players are going to represent our country in the World Cup. Have you read this sentence? Did you notice the verb and the subject? Which is the verb of the sentence? The verb of the sentence is are going. This is the verb, right? Are going. Check if this verb are going is rightly placed according to the subject of the sentence. Now, my dear students, I want you to check the subject of the sentence. We have got a team of 11 players. Now, the subject is whether a team or 11 players. Which is the subject? If the subject is 11 players, then the use of are is right. But what is the subject? The actual subject of the sentence is a team. A team is the actual subject of the sentence. A team, that is only one team. So one team is a singular subject. For a singular subject, the use of plural auxiliary verb are is not right. So, my dear students, are is not right. It should be replaced with is, replaced by is. Got it? So, a team of 11 players is going to represent our country in the World Cup. Look at this right sentence. A team of 11 players is going to represent our country in the World Cup. Did you understand? Right. Now let's move to the next sentence. Read this sentence and test your proficiency. The quality of the products have improved significantly this year. The quality of the products have improved significantly this year. Look at the verb have. Have is here. Okay. So, this have is rightly placed according to the subject of the sentence or not. What is the subject of the sentence? The quality of the products. So the subject of the sentence is the quality or the products. If the subject is the products, then the use of have is rightly placed. But actually the subject of the sentence is the quality alone. So the quality is a singular subject. So if the subject is singular, then the use of have is wrong. So what should have been the right verb here? Has. Look at the right sentence down. The quality of the products has improved significantly this year. This is the right way of writing. Are you able to understand this? Did you test your proficiency? Were you all right? Good. Now let's move to our third sentence. Each of the students were given a certificate after the competition. Each of the students were given a certificate after the competition. So the verb is were given. Now look at this verb and check whether it agrees with the subject of the sentence. What is the subject of the sentence? Each of the students. Now, the subject is the students or each of the students. My dear learners, the subject of the sentence is each of the students. When we say each, the word each represents singular subject, not plural subjects, even though we have students as plural. So the subject is singular, each. So the use of the auxiliary verb were is wrong. So what should be the right auxiliary verb according to this subject? Instead of were, you should place a singular auxiliary verb in past tense because the sentence is written in past tense, right? So the correct sentence is each of the students was given a certificate after the competition. Was given is the right verb. Did you get it? Right. Look at our next sentence. Read and test your proficiency in this sentence. Neither the principal nor the teachers was present at the meeting. Neither the principal nor the teachers was present at the meeting. This is the sentence. My dear learners, I am going to get you a knowledge input in this sentence. Actually, you might have learnt it from your English grammar teacher in your school days. So take it as if a refreshment. Right? Good. Now, whenever you use neither nor structure in a sentence, the verb of the sentence should be agreeing with the subject which is closer to it in the sentence. Now let's look at the verb of the sentence. What is the verb of the sentence? Was present. This is the verb of the sentence. Was present. right? This verb, because the structure of the sentence is written in neither nor structure, this verb should agree with the subject which is closer to it. Now let's look at the subjects. Neither the principal nor the teachers. So we have two things, two subjects. The principal, the teachers. The teachers is the subject which is close to the verb was present, not the principal. So what you have to see actually is the subject after the word nor, not the subject after the word neither. Got it? The subject after the word nor, singular or plural. That's what you should check. Now, after the word nor, the subject is the teachers. The teachers is a plural subject. So the verb should also be in plural. The auxiliary verb should be a plural auxiliary verb. So use of was is wrong, my dear friends. So what should be the right verb? Look at the correct sentence now. Neither the principal nor the teachers were present at the meeting. This is the right sentence. Got it? Suppose the sentences neither the teachers nor the principal was present at the meeting, then the sentence would have been right, because the principal is the subject which is closer to the verb was present. So that would have been right. Principal is a singular subject, was is the right usage. But in this sentence, the closest subject to the verb is the teachers, which is plural. So a plural helping verb should be placed here. So the right helping verb is were, not was. So the right sentence is neither the principal nor the teachers were present at the meeting. I hope you might have understood. Good. Look at our next sentence. One of my closest friends enjoy watching historical documentaries. One of my closest friends enjoy watching historical documentaries. Look at the verb now. Check if it agrees with the subject of the sentence. The verb is enjoy. Okay. The verb is enjoy. Whether this verb agrees with the subject or not. One of my closest friends is the subject. In this phrase, one of my closest friends, check if the word friends is the subject or the word one is the subject. Which is the subject? One is the subject. One of my closest friends, not all of my closest friends. So the subject is singular. One. So when the subject is singular, third person subject takes the verb, agrees with the verb, with the main verb, with yes, the letter S added to it. Like here, what you see in the right sentence. Look at this. Enjoys. Letter S is added to the present tense verb. So the right way of writing this sentence is this. One of my closest friends enjoys watching historical documentaries. Did you get it? Right. Let's move to our next sentence. My dear friends and students, we are at the sentence number 6. Let's read this sentence. A basket full of tomatoes are spoiled. A basket full of tomatoes are spoiled. Read this sentence. Check which is the verb and see if that verb, especially the auxiliary verb, agrees with the subject of this sentence or not. And write your correct sentence and write your answer in the comment box. I will be waiting for your answer in the comment box. So write it, don't forget. Then only I know you are actively participating in my class. You got it? Very good. I am waiting for your answer. So write your answer in the comment box. Thank you, my dear students and learners, for watching this video. I believe this video would have been certainly useful to all of you, at least to refresh what you have learnt in the high school. Right or wrong? Good. So, I'll see you in the next video. By the way, if you really liked this video, like, share and subscribe to this channel, Prof. Joseph Nehru. Thank you for watching once again. Bye-bye.